If your wheels are looking like this, lacquer's blown, tired, making the car look rubbish, to go in to looking like this, fresh as a daisy, gloss black, whatever colour you want, whatever finish, we can do it. So send us a message on TikTok, email, give us a WhatsApp, whatever's easiest for you, and we'll give you a quote, get you booked in to get your car wheels looking how they should be, fresh, and it'll also add a lot of value to your car, because people don't want wheels looking like that on their car. So you know what to do, hit us up,